Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I am going to make me a pair of earrings that kind of goes with this dress. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got butterfly wings all over it, and I remembered that I had some butterfly wings from Jesse James Beads, and even though they're purple and the colors I'm wearing are kind of they're fall colors, but there's a little bit of blue in there. I think I can make it work. So as I mentioned before, I have these little butterfly wing components. And look at all these really pretty brown beads I have. This came from, it was the, make sure I get this right, the Pantone 2023, 2024 Pearls Bead Strand in Hot Fudge Brown. So I think I'm going to use these. And you know what? I need to get me some ear wires. Here we go. Here's some ear wires. There's 1 and 2. And I need to get my tools. Whoops.
I put it in.
I got my granddaughter here watching me. Let's see, let's get all this stuff. I need my round nose pliers. And you know what? I think I'm going to use some silver tone wire. All right, I'm using some 20 gauge wire here. And get this all straightened out. It's kind of kinked a little bit. Where are my straightener outers? Well, I just did a jewelry class the other day. I hope I didn't leave. Ah, here they are. Oh, darn. How many of you have this issue? Guess I won't be using those. Okay, this'll be fine. So these are going to hang. Oh, I like the sparkle on those. What do you think about that? Yeah, my granddaughter likes them, and I think that's what we're going to use. Maybe use these. Do I have 4 of them? Not that. See if I got 4 of these. I do. Okay, let's see how this is going to look. Let's see, we'll put this one first. And this. These can act as spacer beads, kind of like bead caps. You know what? I don't want those on there. I think I'm just going to do it plain, just like that. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. All right. So I am going to make a bit of a wrap. Go ahead and feed that on there like this. Trying to do this real fast because I'm actually headed out the door. And I had this thought, I want to make me some earrings real quick to go with this. I should have thought about that last night. Oh well. This is good to show y'all that you can make yourself a pair of earrings really quick. I'm going to go ahead and clip that off. I'm not going to make my loops as bad or as big as I had originally planned. All right, feed that down there like that. Ooh, yeah. Okay. And I like how these sparkles on these beads, I see a hint of purple in there. Don't you, granddaughter? You see the little purple in there? Yes, she does too. All right, let me clip this off. Tuck it in. Hang it on. And I got to make me another one and skedaddle out of here. Oh yeah, love it, love it. And there they are, aren't they pretty? I'm gonna put them on and show you what they look like. There we go. Oh, how fun. These are fun. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me, and I hope you all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.